Welcome to Divine Spirit Messenger. My name is Tommy Xavier, and I'm a psychic medium and Reiki master. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, burdened by stress, or caught in anxious thoughts, this meditation will help you release tension and welcome deep inner peace. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale, releasing all that no longer serves you. Now, I invite the presence of divine light, the essence of serenity, and the wisdom of the universe into this sacred space. I call upon your spirit guides, angels, and the highest beings of light to surround you in comfort and protection. Say out loud or in your heart, I accept. Accept the healing. Accept the peace. Accept the light that is meant for you. Breathe in calmness. Hold and exhale all tension. With each inhale, you draw in tranquility. With each exhale, you release all stress. Now imagine roots extending from the soles of your feet, anchoring deep into the earth. As you breathe, feel a gentle wave of calm energy rising through your body, grounding and centering you. Now, I place Amethyst and Unicorn Stone in your energy field, sending you waves of their healing energy. Amethyst dissolves overactive thoughts. Unicorn Stone, made up from 3 crystals. Lepidolite, which helps with anxiety and stress. Pink tourmaline fills your heart with warmth. And smoky quartz absorbs all stress, replacing it with deep stability. Now I activate Reiki energy. With my hands, I channel a flow of divine healing light directly to you. Feel the Reiki energy washing over you, melting away tension, softening worry, and infusing your spirit with deep peace. It moves through every cell, restoring balance, harmony, and emotional well-being. Say out loud or in your heart, I accept this Reiki healing. I am safe. I am calm. I am at peace. Now I burn sacred sage. As the smoke rises, it carries away all negativity. It clears your energy, restores balance, and brings renewal. Say out loud or in your heart, I release all stress. I embrace deep peace. Now I introduce the vibration of a singing bowl to further clear and restore your energy. As the sound resonates, feel its frequency washing over you, gently dissolving any lingering stress. This vibration realigns your energy, guiding you into deep serenity. Let the sound anchor you into this moment, bringing harmony to your heart and mind. Say out loud or in your heart, I align with peace. I vibrate at the frequency of calm. Now imagine yourself in a sacred space of pure serenity. A golden lit temple, a quiet meadow, or a peaceful sanctuary. A soft breeze moves through, carrying away all tension. Breathe in healing, light as you exhale. Let go. Say out loud or in your heart, I accept peace. I am safe. I am whole. Now, bring your hands into Jian Mudra. Touch the tip of your index fingers to your thumb while keeping the other fingers extended. This mudra soothes the nervous system and enhances inner awareness. Feel your energy stabilizing, your mind clearing, your emotions softening. Say out loud or in your heart, I am in harmony. My body, mind, and spirit are at ease. Now, a soft blue and violet energy light surrounds you, sealing in this peace. Only love, harmony, and tranquility may enter your space. I am now placing an energy shield around you, keeping you protected, calm, and at ease. Say out loud or in your heart, I accept this healing light. I am calm. I am safe. I am whole. Affirm with me. I release all stress and embrace deep peace. I am grounded, centered, and at ease. I am divinely guided and protected. My mind is clear. My heart is light. My soul is free. Peace flows through me effortlessly. This Reiki healing stays with you. Your breath will always guide you back. Say out loud or in your heart, I am at peace. I carry this light with me always. And so it is. Blessings to you always.